Are you ready to buy your first home but feeling overwhelmed by the process? Buying a home can seem complicated, but with the right tips and guidance, it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to walk you through essential tips for first-time home buyers. You'll learn how to avoid common mistakes, understand the steps involved, and ultimately find the home of your dreams. Hi, I'm Esteban, a real estate broker in Cuenca, Ecuador, with over 20 years of experience helping people find their perfect home. Whether you're looking to settle down in Cuenca or just starting your home buying journey, I've seen it all. Today, I'm going to share some of the best tips I've gathered over the years to help first-time buyers like you make confident decisions. 1. Get your finances in order. Before even starting to search for a home, it's important to have your finances in good shape. This means knowing how much you can afford, saving for a down payment, and checking your credit score. In Ecuador, while cash buyers often have the advantage, there are mortgage options available as well. Typically, banks will require at least 20% of the property's price as a down payment, so it's a good idea to have those savings ready before you start shopping. Make sure to create a budget that includes not just the cost of the home, but also additional expenses like property taxes, closing costs, and maintenance. It's easy to get excited about finding the perfect home, but you'll want to ensure it fits within your financial limits. 2. Get pre-approved for a loan. If you plan on financing your home, getting pre-approved for a mortgage is one of the most important steps. A pre-approval letter not only gives you a clear idea of your price range, but it also shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. It's a crucial step that can speed up the process once you find a home you love. In Ecuador, expats should expect to provide documentation such as proof of income, tax returns, and credit history if applying for a mortgage. Pre-approval will help you understand exactly how much you can afford and avoid wasting time on homes that are out of your budget. 3. Decide on your must-haves. When you start searching for your first home, it's easy to get overwhelmed by all the options. One of the best ways to avoid this is by making a list of your must-haves. What features are non-negotiable for you? Is it the number of bedrooms, a large kitchen, or a backyard? Knowing what you need versus what you want will help you stay focused during your search. Think about your lifestyle and how it might change in the next few years. If you're planning on starting a family, for example, you'll want to make sure the home can accommodate those future changes. Take time to consider the layout, space, and neighborhood before making your decision. 4. Work with a real estate agent. A qualified real estate agent is an invaluable resource for first-time home buyers. They can guide you through the process, help negotiate the best price, and ensure that you don't miss any important details. An experienced agent will know the local market, including which neighborhoods offer the best value and which areas are up and coming. When working with a real estate agent in Ecuador, they'll assist with navigating the legalities of purchasing property. They'll also know how to connect you with reliable notaries, inspectors, and contractors. 5. Get a home inspection. Even if you find a home that looks perfect, never skip the home inspection. A professional inspection can uncover hidden issues that might cost you money down the road. In Ecuador, it's important to check for structural integrity, plumbing, and electrical work, especially in older homes. Investing in a home inspection can save you from major repairs later on. 6. Understand closing costs. Closing costs are an inevitable part of buying a home, and it's important to be prepared for them. In Ecuador, these costs typically include notary fees, property taxes, and registration fees. Be sure to budget for these expenses in advance so you aren't caught off guard when it's time to close the deal. 7. Negotiate smartly. Once you find the home you want, negotiations begin. Don't be afraid to negotiate on price, repairs, or other terms of the deal. Your real estate agent will be key in this process, helping you secure the best deal possible. It's important to approach negotiations with a clear understanding of what's reasonable for the market and what your limits are. 8. Don't rush the process. Buying a home is a major decision, and it's easy to feel rushed in a competitive market. However, it's essential to take your time and not feel pressured to make an offer if you're unsure. Rushing into a home purchase can lead to regrets later on. Trust your instincts and make sure you're comfortable with your choice. In the next video, I'll compare renting short-term versus long-term. If you're still not sure if buying is the right choice for you, make sure to check out that video for more insights. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. If you're ready to start your home buying journey in Cuenca, I'm here to help. Whether it's your first time or you just need some extra guidance, give me a call. With over 20 years of experience, I can help you navigate the process and find the perfect property. Contact me today.